Hello, welcome to the kickoff of the Solar System project. This project was introduced starting with the sun, so if you hadn't already, go check that out. This presentation is going to be about, as you see from the title, what you're gonna have to know before we move on to the planets. So just some basic information. These photos are from the internet. I should have warned about that. All the information and photos are from the internet in this presentation. Now you had that covered. Let's continue. Planets have elliptical orbits. So basically, instead of being a circle, they're like an egg shape. Or an oval, as you could call it. Now this is where the presentation gets interesting. Sidereal days. A sidereal day is how it takes a planet to rotate once relative to the stars, not including our sun. Sidereal days are more accurate than solar days. Why is this? It is because of the elliptical orbits around the sun. So basically sidereal days are, you choose a star in the sky. If you kept that position in mind, it's basically how long it takes that star to get from that one point all the way back to that point. And then solar days is the same as that, but with the sun. And as said, because the planets have elliptical orbits, it could take the sun longer or short. It could take the sun longer or shorter to reach the same place in the sky than sidereal days, just because of the elliptical. According to this, it's longer. Like I said, I got it for the internet, so it is possible that there is shorter because of the elliptical. And then, if you didn't already know, planets rotate, not orbit. They rotate on their axis, so sorry about that. Not orbit, it is rotate. And this axis can be tilted. I don't want to make this presentation boring, so if you're interested, you can pause and look. Otherwise, we're going to continue. If you want to know more information, this link has a whole spreadsheet. It has the gravity of the planets, the mass of the planets, maybe speed, and it even has how many moons they have, if you're interested. So check it out if you're interested so far. Otherwise, we're going to move on to the classification of the planets. This isn't totally important to the whole deal, but it's still interesting to know if you don't already. The air planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And then these 4 planets are also known as the terrestrial planets. The other planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But unlike the other planets, they're divided. The gas giants are Saturn, Jupiter. The ice giants are Uranus and Neptune. I know this is a short presentation, but I hope it helps a little. Even if it did, like I said, you can check out this spreadsheet if you're just curious about space and that's why you clicked on the video. Otherwise, have a good day, and like I say, I hope you enjoy the video, and keep in mind that the information is all from online. But these are pretty common, so I should have there should be no dispute on these. Have a good day.